Okay, maybe we can get going this official celebration part. I'm extremely happy that Dean Hrymak, Dean of Engineering, is joining us to say, a few words in the name of the Faculty of Engineering. We also have a few staff members. Dr. Damatty is the current chairman of the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. And a few professors, so later on you will be able to know and maybe discuss with them. A number of people who are present are graduates of Western, and a number of them are from earlier work and first phase of FIDS, which was established at the University of Manitoba in Winnipeg. And thanks.
So I won't take a lot of time, but I'm really thrilled to be here to welcome you all to Western. I know the conference has been going on for a while, and bringing back alumni as well as colleagues of Professor Simonovich from Manitoba. This whole area has been fascinating for me to learn about as Dean. I'm still relatively new to Western. I came in 2009, but certainly I had already heard about Professor Simonovich through common friends in the water resource area, and I for a long time did systems analysis and optimization, so I knew of his work and his modeling work in probabilistic systems. So certainly for me, both as an academic, but also now as a new leader at Western, it was great to become part of this. Also in terms of the strategy for the faculty, the environment and sustainability is actually our largest portfolio of research. Half the research in the faculty is somehow related to environment and sustainability, and certainly the work that this group has done, that the center has done in terms of flood and risk analysis is so important. I sit on the Institute for Catastrophic Loss Reduction Board. In fact, we're having a meeting tomorrow, and this is one of the primary areas of research that the insurance industry certainly right now thinks is very, very important. I just came from a meeting with a company, and we were talking about all the work that's going on in this area and how important it is for Canada as well. So I just want to, again, welcome you to Western, to reinforce that we are thrilled to be part of this 25th anniversary celebration. I want to congratulate Professor Simonovich on this achievement. There's not very many research institutes that survive for 25 years, especially through a move. So congratulations, that is an achievement to be very proud of, and I think I'll hand it off to my colleague, Professor Damatty.
Before actually I say a few words, I just wanted to say how the facility like this contributes to the kind of faculty and the department and the form of research. I told the guests, how rewarding is this part of our work, and at least for me, working with the young smart people and learning from them and also helping them to learn is probably the most rewarding part of our overall work. That fits through both universities, University of Manitoba and then at Western, provided home for about 76 postdocs, PhD graduates, and master's graduates. A number of them are now working in academia. We had professors in about 6 or 7 countries around the world. We have a number of people leading the consulting business in Canada, a number of people running consulting business on their own, and a number of engineers working with either government or power utilities and other departments. For these 2 days, I learned a lot what they are doing after they left, and it's really impressive how wide is that scale. Being a systems person, I have to mention that this is one of the positive feedbacks that we don't mind. Positive feedback is bad in general because it is stabilizing the system and exponential growth, but exponential growth in knowledge and number of people kind of working in our field is really something that this type of work is generating. I see now the professors who are training, the other graduate students. You see how the work and numbers are spreading around. Sorry for interruptions.
Okay, so on behalf of the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, I would like to welcome all of you I think there's half of the group is already from our department, and the other half is coming from Winnipeg. So welcome all of you. I think this facility or institute that was established 25 years ago in Winnipeg, we are getting the fruits here at Western from this facility. Our department, as you might know, is natural disasters in general is very important activities and research profile in our department, and one of the most important things is floods research and systems that's led by Professor Simonovich. So we're very proud of the research that he's doing. We're very proud for the international work that he's doing and the national recognitions that he's always getting. That's always increase the profile of the department. And also what's very noticeable is this beautiful relationship that he always has with his own graduate students, 76 graduate students and postdoc. That's very, very impressive. So again, I welcome you. I congratulate Dr. Simonovich, and we are looking for many years of production, and maybe another 76 graduate students. I will think about that.
Thanks very much. So we'll proceed. The idea is that we would like to kind of acknowledge the 25 years by cutting the ribbon in front of the FIDS doors, and Dean Hrymak accepted to do that, and then you can kind of go through the FIDS, see what the graduate students will be available to kind of provide with a bit of explanation of the current research. The lunch will be served here, so you will be able to kind of help yourself and kind of go through. So let us just move